Hello, Richard speaking from EagleSix. We are going to be testing this MP5a5 NGRS from Tokyo Marui. This one has had a power spring installed and two power spacers to bring the FPS when using 0.32 ammo to 263 FPS, which is obviously below UK limits. Giving it a nice, bit more punch when you're firing obviously ammo like that out of the box. Even without the hop upgrades, it's able to lift those 3.2s out to a decent distance. And I've range tested it, happy with the testing results, and we just want to just demonstrate it working for the purposes, obviously, hopefully getting this dispatched to the customer. So I'm even going to put some ammo in it. There we go. So all tested and working. We hope you enjoy. Any problems, let us know. But yeah, I hope you're having lots of fun. Thank you.